Hi, I'm really happy to announce our first ever workshop in our Lidr Academy is out of the oven now and is dedicated to culture, developing an amazing culture. Do you know why we have chosen that topic? Okay, there are a number of reasons. Number one is totally related with our first and most important value in our manifesto, people first. We created Lidr to bring a fresh approach to leadership in tech, and culture is all about how a company behaves. Shape culture and you will be shaping your company from the ground up. Number two is the biggest differentiator between companies. Tech, processes, methodologies, team organization, everything can be copied right now and it's happening faster and faster. But engineering culture, it's much more difficult. Trying to copy how every individual behaves at work, interacts with each other, makes decisions, that cannot be copied and it will be the DNA. And also, this is one of the first reasons why developers keep at your company or choose your offer to join over the others. And number three, we want you to meet Michelle Kaiser, one of the most amazing professionals I've ever met. Her energy and approach to culture in tech teams will transform your perspective and change your mindset as it changed mine. Put our award-winning coaches Katie, Albert and Laura in the mix and you will have a 7 hours practical and inspiring workshop all in once. So, do you want to lead a passionate team? Do you want to be proud to say your team is high-performing? To be safe that they will take care of each other and they will be willing to push their own boundaries every single day without the fear of failure? Then you want to have a great engineering culture. No matter the way you want your team to operate or how they should behave, you will be able to apply to your own case. You will learn what mechanisms and processes to put in place, but also toxic behaviors and anti-patterns to avoid. You will understand how to empower your team to define the engineering culture themselves and drive the change, and also how to measure the impact of that change. So leave now our Lidr Academy experience and join this exclusive workshop with a 20% discount. If you are a team, we have also further discounts for you. Just drop us a line. See you inside.